Hi everyone, it's Janice from the Reading Train. This story is called Rainbow Brite, Rainbow Surprises. Rainbow Brite smiled at the sun. What a perfect day for the spring festival, Twink. That's what you think, Rainbow Runt, sneered Murky Dismal. What are you up to, Murky Dismal? Rainbow Brite asked. You'll know soon enough, he replied. Rainbow Brite pulled up hard on Starlight's reins as they approached the festival. Stop! Look at those balloons! Someone's filled them with gloomy gas instead of air. Don't worry, Red Butler said. I'll have them red and ready in a flash. Rainbow Brite, come quick, Patio Green called. All the spring flowers are gray. Not for long, said Rainbow Brite. Let's get to work. Look, called Rainbow Brite. The birds and butterflies have lost their colors. Something's going on for sure. Nothing's going on that Star Sprinkles can't fix, Canary Yellow said. Treats are one of my favorite things about the spring festival, but something's wrong with these snow cones. Not anymore, said Lala Orange. Now they're sweeter than ever. Rainbow Brite cried as she looked up at the sky. Oh no! All of the rainbows have lost their colors. Color kids, you'll need to work together to bring back the rainbows. Look, the grunge buggy is heading straight for the maypole. Watch out, sprites! Run! Rainbow Brite shouted. A spray here, a spray there, and soon their little May Day festival will be a Gray Day festival, Murky Dismal cackled. Ha ha, good one, boss, chuckled Lurky. Arrgh! Look what you've done, screamed Murky. Another gray day chased away thanks to you, Rainbow Brite, said Red Butler. Thanks to everyone, she replied.